the architect of this function, Mr. C. Lakshmi Rajam, the proprietor of the Metro India, who was hitherto the cause for the publication of Namaste Telangana. Right to information is not a statutory right. It is a constitutional right. In fact, questions were raised as to whether this Right to Information Act will be scrapped. I said it can't be scrapped because it is born from Article 19A of Indian Constitution, which is a fundamental right. I was a constitutional student. I practiced constitutional law. I decided constitutional cases. I was first thinking that the greatest fundamental right, or a human right as you put it, is a right to life, because it gives everything to us. Without sustenance, you can't do anything, and all that is necessary for sustenance of the life. Then slowly, there was a transformation in my thinking. Then I thought that right to equality is the greatest fundamental right. In fact, in the Human Rights Declaration, which was propounded by United Nations on 10th of December 1948, there are 30 articles. First article starts with right to equality. It says all persons are born equal in rank and status. But as I got experience in dealing the cases, I am of the firm view, you may also agree, that the greatest human right, the greatest fundamental right is a right to speech and expression.
Judiciary for administrative side RTI एक्ट में आती है और उसके ऊपर मेरे कई जजमेंट्स भी मेरे फेवर में है CIC के। वेल डिक्लेरेशन वाला जो जजमेंट है CIC ने दिया, सुप्रीम कोर्ट, दिल्ली हाई कोर्ट गया, फिर दिल्ली हाई कोर्ट की 3 मेंबर बेंच में गया, सब जगह हारा, एंड सुप्रीम कोर्ट ऑफ इंडिया फॉर द फर्स्ट टाइम इन हिस्ट्री ऑफ इंडिया अप्रोच इटसेल्फ फॉर रिलीफ ऑन दैट पिटीशन। अब सुप्रीम कोर्ट ऑफ इंडिया की डिवीजन बेंच के सामने मेरी 3 पिटीशंस पड़ी हैं, इसके अलावा कॉरेस्पोंडेंस विद चीफ जस्टिस ऑफ इंडिया और अपॉइंटमेंट ऑफ जजेस वगैरह की। और 26/11 वैसे भी हमारे देश में एक नोटोरियस डेट है, वो इस मामले में भी एक जरा महत्वपूर्ण डेट बन गई है कि 26/11/2010 को डिवीजन बेंच एक सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने ये फैसला दिया, एक ऑर्डर दिया अपनी रजिस्ट्री को कि ये मैटर जरा सेंसिटिव है, तो चीफ जस्टिस ऑफ इंडिया के सामने लार्जर बेंच बनाने के लिए रखा जाए।
I would like to request Sashi Prabha Bindani, Information Commissioner, Odisha, to come onto the stage.
My salutation to all the people who has come from different parts of Andhra Pradesh and the right RTI activist है, जिनका कंट्रीब्यूशन इसी एक्ट के लिए तो नहीं, ये देश में ट्रांसपेरेंसी और अकाउंटेबिलिटी लाने के लिए जितना सारा उनका जो कमिटमेंट है, उनको मैं अभी फिर शुभेच्छा मेरा देती हूँ उड़ीसा से। एक्चुअली or those who were from media and this media house, which actually what I find when Mr. Srinivasan called me in our office, then I was a little bit excited that really media is coming with this right to information things. I was a little bit excited, and my Shubhecha and good wishes to all of them and all those who are here, Honorable Lokayukt, Telangana and Andhra Pradesh, all those people, those who are here to listen the experience of other people, those who are involved in this process. Expectation from common people is not getting fulfilled. So there are a lot of area we need to, that means not as commission, but as civil society people, as media, as the other people in the intellectual domain, educationists, and many other people like even the lawyers has a lot of, that means there are a lot of things expected from them to understand the principles of Right to Information Act. Because Right to Information Act in one night cannot give the information you want, but it can make a change, lot of change in the whole system. Because even in the panchayat level people, those used to come and they say just innocently that they don't know how to write a written statement.
I would now request Mr. C. Ganesh Garu, Professor of Sociology, Usmania University, to come and share his experience.
Personally, I feel that even today, Indian society is continuing a kind of system which we have inherited from our past. The same kind of legacy which we have inherited from the past, still we are continuing in Indian society. Like a person who is at the receiving end should not question the people who are in the power and authority structures. That is the attitude. And in fact, most of the people who are in the power structure, those who are in authority structure, they are socialized in such a way that people should not question their authority. I would say that this is a traditional kind of legacy which we have inherited from our past. And this lies in our social system itself, in the bureaucratic system itself. And whenever people question or whenever people seek information, the people who have occupied the highest positions in the authority structure feel that why these people are questioning me? And they are quite affronted. But I personally feel that some kind of re-socialization is required.